If you want to change the people in your area, or if you want to change the people in your state, or if you want to change the people in your country, or if you want to change the people in this whole world, first you have to change. The way you are thinking should change. The change shouldn't come from somewhere in the world. The change should come from you. And to bring that change in you, this is Joshi, youngest motivational speaker and your life changer. And today I'm going to tell you about my journey from a student to a speaker, an youngest motivational speaker. And the second thing was how to receive the situations. See, in our life, maximum of our life we're getting wasted. You know why? Because we are not receiving the situations in the proper way, in the proper manner. The more fightings between the wife and husbands, or else the more fightings between the friends, this all happening because we are receiving the situation in another manner but not in the right way. When I completed my 10th standard, my relatives, my parents, my friends, my teachers, everyone suggested that to become a doctor, to become an engineer, to become an IAS and IEPS officer, and to become a government service person. But my passion is to become a speaker. My passion is to motivate the people. My passion is to inspire the people with my words, with my speeches, with my actions. So I didn't understood what should I have to do now. Everyone is saying something, but my passion is this thing. Then I thought, whatever the world thinks, it's not important. It doesn't matter. But what I think about of myself is really matter. So never let other persons to decide your actions. Let you decide your actions. Okay? So there are two types of things in our life. One is interest and one is passion. See, when you want to choose what you want to become, it means your career decision making for your career. It's two ways. The first way is interest. The second way is passion. Choosing the right way in the right time and the right decision is the quality of a successful person. Yes or no? So if I choose interest in the sense, my interest is to become a doctor, but my passion is to become a speaker. What should I choose now? Doctor or else a speaker? What is the difference between a passion and interest? Let me tell you in one sentence. If that your passion, you will get succeed in your life. But if that's your interest, you will never get success in your life. You know why? Because you have done the things in which you are not passionate, and you're not going to give 100% effect for that. Yes or no? Yes. So choose the right passion, not the interest. And coming to receiving the situations, how to receive the situations, how to receive the circumstances, how to face the consequences in our life is the main thing. See, let me tell you one thing. In this pandemic situation, everyone says that I lost my job, I lost my property, my business falls into loss, I just lost everything, I lost my loved ones. Not to worry about of anything. Life is giving you a chance to make your life better than normal, make your life better than present, make your life better than past. Everything interlinked with positive thinking. Yes or no? Even our life interlinked with positive thinking. This positive thinking in the other manner we can call as receiving the situations in the proper manner. You know what? In your life, what you believe more, that definitely will happen. See, in the 1800 year, no one knows how to fly. It's imagination. It's just a dream of flying in the air. It's just a dream. But Wright brothers brought imaginations into reality. They make all the imaginations into reality, and they make man to fly. Is it belief system or not? Someday some person believed his dreams, so he invented a great invention. And now you believe yourself and you too will invent something great. It doesn't matter it's an imagination or not. It all matters how much of belief you had on that particular dream or else on the particular work. Belief system. See here, coming to the point, Alexander Graham Bell. received the situation in the positive manner. So he invented the great thing, right? Believe. It's a positive or not? Yes, it's a positive thing. So he invented. So in the same manner in our life, even we lose our company, it doesn't matter. Even we lost our, the loss occurs in our company, it doesn't matter. Even you lost your property, it doesn't matter. Even you lost your job, it doesn't matter. You had a skill, right? You have skill, you have a talent, you have some passion in you. Why can't you use that? How you came from a normal position to this top position, from bottom to top, you came with some strategies, right? And now you got another chance to move from this top position to better than this. Yes or no? So if you want to move from this position to this position, what you should do? Concentrate on your skills, concentrate on your passion, concentrate on your talent. It doesn't matter what you lost. It all matters. Still you are alive. Yes or no? It doesn't matter someone took your opportunity. No one will take your opportunity unless except you. You are the only person who can create your opportunity. You are the only person who can destroy your opportunity. See, totally, I used to say only the three things. The first one is your passion makes you to get success in your life. It doesn't require years. Your success never requires your age. Success requires your skill and talent on your passion. The first one. Second one is receive the situations in the positive manner. It's all your life, whole life is depends upon receiving the situations. Okay, what other person thinks about of you, it doesn't matter. What you are thinking about of you, it's really matter. The second thing. What's the third thing? Believe yourself. Even the society doesn't believe you, it doesn't matter. But if you believe yourself, if your subconscious mind believe yourself, then definitely you will get success in your life. If you are not believing yourself, your subconscious mind not believing you, and whole the society is believing you, but you will never get success in your life unless you have the belief on yourself. You never get success in your life.